Hello, my beautiful family. It's been a while. I uploaded my recipes, right? But I've been eating. Me and food. We are like 6 and 9, yeah? On the menu today is turkey and mushroom lice soup.
Mommy, I can even smell the soup.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It smells really nice.
Ooh, tuasia. This is good.
Yeah. I want to eat it right now.
Proper fufu.
Yeah. This is plantain fufu. It's yummy, right?
In case today is your first time stopping by, my name is Pretty Sarah, and the lovely voice you heard there is that of my princess Alicia, my daughter. So all the veggies you see on there are gonna go in the soup. So it's not just your ordinary lice soup. What you say? Yes. Clean your turkey very well. Add a tablespoonful of tomato paste and your seasoning of choice, as well as water. I'm using a die-cast pot, so I don't want it to get burnt. Also chop some onions and add. It's gonna make it fragrant. I always tell you, chopping, blending, grinding, they all bring different flavors. You try them and let me know in the comment section, right? So stir just to mix, and then cover and allow this to cook. While that is going on, I'm going to blend 1 small sized onion with ginger, parsley, basil, dried thyme. They are all dried, right? You can use the fresh versions. These are what I had yesterday. What I say? Good. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, turkey doesn't take long to cook. Listen, if you've been watching me, you know I don't like overcooking anything. Yeah? Good. So blend everything until smooth. Transfer it onto your meat. Add your catfish. That's the only catfish I have left too. Please, Monfa Bimbreme, what's it? Adjene. Also add your Aidan fruit. Prekese. For more flavor. Allow this to boil for like 5 minutes. Go ahead and add your washed mushrooms. Some say we don't wash mushrooms. Me, I wash them. Also add okro if you eat them, yeah? Cover it and go ahead and blend all the cooked vegetables. They are cooked already, yeah? So they're just going to exchange flavors. Nothing really. Do not overcook anything. I can't emphasize on this enough. That is smooth. It's just went in there. Stir. See, it's thick. Thick. Mutu me pacho. Lice soup, yeah? So dilute it. Dilute it, make it a bit light. So, and allow this to simmer. And this is ready, ebusia. Cooking in the house is easier than you think. Trust me. You know you wash your hands, you wash all your ingredients, you know what goes in your tummy. Now, wow, it'll say, oh, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't just come and watch me and go, Sakeke. You're stealing my recipes. Why? You need to subscribe to the channel, like my videos, and share. Don't forget that. Share as well. Yes. And recommend my channel to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching me. I appreciate your support. Also, feel free to leave a comment below.
Mommy, I can even smell the soup.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It smells really nice.
Ooh, tuasia.
It's so yummy, Mommy.
Kombe don sunya. Oi, turkey.
Turkey.
Some mushrooms, okro. I didn't know. Wash out to that.
Mommy, I like mushrooms.
You like mushrooms?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I added them for you. Anything for my princess. Let's add more mushrooms.
Yay! More mushrooms. La 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 la.
Let's add precursor.
Precursor?
Yes.
What's precursor? What's precursor, Mommy?
That's Aidan fruit.
Adam fruit?
Yes.
It's a type of fruit?
Yeah.
Oh.
Smells nice. It's fragrant. Woo! This is good.
Yeah. I want to eat it right now.
Proper fufu.
Yeah. This is plantain fufu. It's yummy, right?
Mm-hmm.